talk about how can you fix this problem on your Toloka app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you just click here on settings here, it's going to take you to this list here. So then here it's going to show for you like this. Then you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then you come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Toloka app here, or just click here on search. So then here add Toloka app, is going to show for you like this. Click on it here. So then come to next step here, just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK here. When you just click here on OK, then you go down here, then you click here on storage, just come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.